What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are on Western Union and I'm gonna teach you and I'm gonna actually answer one of the commonly asked questions: how to fix Western Union error code C2002 or C2002. So, well, before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So actually there is a common error occurring to Western Union mobile app, which is called error, which comes with the code C2002. So actually there is a quite a simple way on how to fix it. So of course this is an error that occurs only on the mobile devices. So iOS or Android, you're having a Western Union app and it crashes, it shows error code C2002. So there is quite a simple option how to actually repair it. So as of many glitches on your mobile device, you need to go to your storage. So of course then select the Western Union and just simply delete the cache memory. It will probably repair the app. If it doesn't, of course check your connection, and the third option is as always, just try to reset your mobile device and then actually try to use the Western Union app. If it doesn't work, but it should probably do, just wait for it to load up. As you can see, a list of Western Union error codes. We are gonna wait for it to load up. So over here, as you can see, we are having a list. Actually, we will not see it because of this Google ad, whatever. So basically this error code is fixable and you can fix it by deleting the cache memory from the Western Union app through your mobile settings. So guys, hopefully this video was helpful to you, and as always, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.